Digital Product Manager. As a Digital Product Manager, I'm a senior member of the Digital Products team. I'm expected to lead multidisciplinary teams, supporting and continuously improving products of significant scale and complexity. I am responsible for understanding the needs of the end user, working closely with digital solution architects and IT to see how technology can enhance the user experience, drive down operational cost, improve overall operational efficiency, create new business models and deliver superior customer experience. I take products through all phases of development lifecycle with the goal of making things easier and faster to use. I am also heavily involved in the product roadmap, investing a lot of time in user needs by successfully communicating them to business owners and key stakeholders. The key skills required to do my job: experience working as a product, not project, manager within digital development. Although starting out as a hybrid digital project manager or business analyst does help a great deal. Strong background in working in an agile environment. Experience working closely with multidisciplinary technical teams, developers, testers, designers, etc. Strong focus on user research. Digital marketing expertise and experience. The ability to use data to make an informed decision through descriptive and prescriptive analytics. Understanding of best practice and UX principles. Involved in product roadmaps and project strategy. Experience working across the full product lifecycle. With over 5,000 digital roles secured to date and 1.64 million digital jobs in the UK alone, discover which digital role suits you best at www.careerinsights.tv.